This is the cap rotor distributor once it is all removed. So you got your T20 screws to take the cap off. Take the cap off. You said you got your one plug there, your one bolt there, and it just lifts straight out. So that's what it looks like removed. Alright guys, so I just removed the distributor from the truck. So you have right here one 10mm bolt. So what that looks like on the motor, I guess you guys want to see how it looks like this. You got your cap and rotor, and right down there you get 10mm. Come to the back side so you can see a little bit better. So yeah, there's just that one bolt there. Your cap and rotor is here, and right there, those are your Torx bits. Then it just slides right up. Make sure you unplug this guy here, and that's it.